Hi everyone, hope you are doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how we can define approval rules in SAP Business One based upon customized requirements. For example, we want to have approval based upon document total, or we want to have approval based upon vendor or date or any customized criteria. On top of it, my main focus will be approval based upon values within the rows of the document. Because I saw in SAP community a lot of people are saying SAP Business One does not support approval based upon values in the rows, which is wrong. SAP does support approval. The only difference is in the syntax. So let's go to the system and have a look there. Here is a sample approval query. If item code is 100003 in the purchase order, then purchase order should go for approval. The difference in the syntax is in the rows you cannot specify table name and field, it will not work. You have to select the field number, column number and variable number. So if you look here, item number for the item code field is 38, column is 1 and variable is 11. So $sign 38.1.11 and the rest of the syntax is same. It's a standard syntax. It's the same which you are using for the approvals in the header. So I'll save this query with the name of approval queue of PO approval and the approval template. I have an approval template for PO where terms is PO approval query. Now if I go to purchase order, I'll select the vendor and once I select the item and try to save the document, you can see it is going for approval. If I select another item, you can see it's saved. So let's say I have multiple items in the purchase order and the item code which is specified in my approval condition, it's not in the first line. Even in that scenario it will work. So let me select multiple items and A00003 is in the last line. So when I try to save the document, it is going for approval. So as you can see, approval based upon the document rows, it does work in SAP Business One. The only difference is instead of using the table name and field name, we have to use the item number, column number and variable number in the syntax. So if I try to save the document, you can see it went for approval. So I have another scenario that is a more complex scenario. For example, you want to have approval where balance of the business partner is not equal to due. Sorry, is not equal to 0. So you can see the starting syntax is same here also. Select distinct true from OCRD, table name and where balance is not equal to 0 and card code is equal to 4.0. 4.0 is basically field number of the supplier code in the PO. So I'm simply select this query in the approval template terms. I'll update it and select the PO complex. So if I select the vendor here, select the item and try to save the document, it is going for approval. So if I open the PP master data, I can see its balance is not, its due balance is not 0. If you remember, I mentioned there is a difference in the syntax for the conditions in the row and for conditions in the header. So the difference is, in case of header, instead of field number you can use table name and field name, and SAP supports it. While in case of rows, SAP does not support it. So I can use it, let's say OPOR dot code, and it will work even in this scenario as well. So if I still try to save the same document, you can see it is going for approval. Thank you very much for today. Please like and subscribe my channel.